Good morning, it's Travis Bard, and today we're going to talk about tax time. I know this is not everybody's favorite topic, but sometimes the better prepared we are, the easier it is to go through preparing for taxes and doing all the things that we need to do for that as homeowners. So first, what I would recommend, and this is for people who say, well, we're going to live in our house forever. Keep a file of everything that you do to your house. It's always easier to, when something happens, to be able to establish the basis of your house if you have a good file of all the improvements that you've made over time. If you replace a toilet, if you do plumbing work, electrical work, paint the house, put a new roof on it, keep a good, easy file, something that's easy to access, something that people will know where to find it, just so that they can do the work they need to establish the basis in a house. Because fortunately, we know that if you own a home for a long period of time, the value is going to increase. That appreciation is just a fact of life owning real estate. It's one of the reasons that we do own real estate and one of the reasons that we encourage it. So the better and easier files you keep, the better off you're going to be in the long run. For those of you that have a mortgage on your home, those tax statements that you receive from your lender showing the interest that you've paid, they'll also show taxes that they've paid if they're impounding your tax payments. Those are easy forms to use that have all of the information on it. But the type of things that you can use on your taxes are interest paid and property taxes. If you own your home free and clear, having access to your tax statement so you know the property taxes you've paid through the year. If you itemize your deductions, that's a great thing to have at hand because you can use that deduction. If you've bought a home this year, in the last year, in 2022, the settlement statement is the document that will show all of the pertinent information that your tax preparer will need. Everything from the fees that you've paid, if you had a loan, the points that you've paid, all of the miscellaneous expenses. So that's a statement that if you just turn that over to your tax preparer, they have all of the information they need. If you bought an investment property, and that's a rental, not investment land, but an investment, a rental, there is a great opportunity out there for you with your taxes. It's called cost segregation. Talk to your tax preparer, your tax professional about this, because there may be some very lucrative opportunities for you that are built into the tax code that incentivize real estate investment. But if you take advantage of that, you may see a very strong tax opportunity that you weren't aware of. So talk to your accountant, your tax preparer about cost segregation if you bought a rental property last year and received rent on that. So these are just a few of the things to make our life easier when we go through tax season. If you have this stuff available, you're going to be a step ahead of a lot of people. If there's anything we can do to help you, if we helped you buy or sell property last year, reach out to us. If you don't have your settlement statement, we have access to that. We keep a file of that kind of stuff for you, and we're happy to help. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here available to answer these kind of questions or anything else that you might have. And we hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you.